this is something else. This came together really, really quickly. Last minute, wasn't sure if it was going to go through, but I just bought a 2021 Dodge Durango Hellcat. It's only one of 2,000. I was not expecting this to come together the way it did. I'm so excited for this.
When did we get here?
Today or yesterday?
It must have been yesterday when I was out.
I'm so glad Yeah, you want to?
Yeah.
All right, so Jim sold the first Viper at this dealership. He sold the first TRX at this dealership to me, and he sold the first Hellcat Durango. Where do you want me to sign, Jim?
That one, and she'll sign the second one.
So how's it feel? First Durango Hellcat.
That's cool.
Considering when I bought the Daytona, I almost bought a Durango. This is crazy.
What?
Is that time?
It's that time.
All
Alright, here we go.
With SRT brakes.
Now just to put it to scale, this thing is like huge. It's big. There it goes.
Folks, they used to say that the Charger was the world's most badass grocery getter, but I have to say that's got to be the most badass grocery getter.
Yes, I do too.
We're taking it home. 2021 SRT Durango. We missed the Hellcat Durango, and this one came available, and it seems kind of silly to sell a Hellcat and buy the 392, the SRT Durango, but we made a lot of money on the Hellcat Durango, and I love the style. You know, they say there's no day quite like delivery day. I've heard it quite a few times, felt it quite a few times. I'm not exactly prepared for today's delivery day. I knew this car was coming, but I wasn't expecting it for a couple more weeks. And I'm still recovering from pneumonia. I'm pretty sure the pneumonia is gone, but my body just isn't 100%. So needless to say, I was surprised when I got the phone call that our Hellcat Durango was coming in today. If you're unfamiliar with my channel, I bought a Hellcat Durango last year. I was one of the first to take delivery, and I think this is I'm probably going to be one of the last to take delivery. I'd imagine of only less than 3,000 built, there shouldn't be very many more. We're in the middle of January 22, and I would imagine the last few Hellcat Durangos have been built and are going to be delivered. So we're headed over to Crown Dodge. We have the 2021 SRT Durango. We're going to be trading that in towards the Hellcat Durango, and yeah, we're going to be taking delivery today of our second Hellcat Durango. I'm pretty excited for this. It's a little hard for me to, you know, have a lot of enthusiasm and show a bunch of excitement on camera because I still just don't feel well. But you know, it's not COVID. I'm over the pneumonia. We're just trying to recuperate, and we're going to take delivery of this car. Looking forward to it. You know, it's not every day that you get to buy a car that only so many were built, and there's not going to be any more. I don't know how many more are remaining in Dodge's docket to be built, but I can't imagine it's going to be very many more. We're outside of the 21 model year now and taking delivery of a 21 Hellcat Durango that was only built for one model year, so I can definitely say that I'm excited. We do love the SRT Durango. I will be kind of sad to see it go, but you know, you can't argue with a destroyer gray Hellcat Durango. So we're going to go over to Dodge and take delivery of this thing, and hopefully we make it a time to see it come off the truck. When I sold my Hellcat Durango, I never thought that I would have a chance to get another one. I knew that at the time when I sold it. I made the decision to sell it for profit, even though I knew I probably wouldn't get an opportunity to buy another one. And so when this opportunity presented itself, I had to jump all over it. I said in another video that I don't plan on selling this one. My goal for this year is to own the Hellcat Durango, the Hellcat Charger, the Hellcat Challenger, and the T-Rex all at the same time. That's my goal for the end of this year. I owned one of each of those at some point last year, but my goal for this year is to own all four at the same time. So let's just say that this is the first shoe to drop. The SRT Durango will go away. So we'll own the Charger and we'll own the Hellcat Durango. I also have a jailbreak Challenger on order. I have no idea when that will be here. Chances are I will sell the Charger at some point and move up to a T-Rex while we wait on the jailbreak. And then we'll get another Charger at some point towards the end of the year if everything works out. But yeah, my goal for this year, all four at the same time. With the Hellcat Durango, the first shoe to drop. It would also be the most difficult car to replace if we were to sell it again. So I'm not ever going to say I'll never sell it again. I'll never say that, you know, I'm not going to get rid of it. But chances are this one's going to stick around for a while. Plus, my wife loves Destroyer Gray. She loves the Durango, and it's a Hellcat. Prying this out of her hands, I'd have to, you know, work some real magic to get this car away from her. So yeah, this is going to be one that sticks around for sure. I've made this drive so many times, turned into this Dodge dealership so many times. I can't count how many cars I bought from here since 2011. But I love the folks over at Crown Dodge here in Fayetteville. The last dealership I bought a car from before Dodge gave me the runaround, and you know, Dodge is usually, even when we couldn't work out a deal and I never got the runaround, they always treated me right. So that's why I keep coming back. Gotta find this thing. There's a Destroyer Gray Durango right there, but I don't believe that one is it. No SRT badge in the grill. That's not it. And I see the truck. So we are over here. I don't know if it's been unloaded or not. Hopefully not. I don't believe it has. And there's the Jim right there. Let me get parked and get out of here.
I sent you that video of it coming off the truck.
I haven't checked it yet.
It's in your text.
She loves that color.